Meaning of delicately.
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 Delicately. Delicately means something is done in a manner that is careful, precise, and gentle. It often refers to handling fragile or sensitive objects or situations with great care, attention, and sensitivity. When something is done delicately, it results in a smooth and elegant execution, without causing any damage or disruption. For example, a surgeon might delicately operate on a patient's organs, a painter might delicately apply paint to a canvas, or a diplomat might delicately handle a sensitive political issue. In all cases, the end result is achieved with grace and precision.